History made. Meet the woman that said to become first Nigeria NBA president, who is Oyinkansola Badejo-Okunsanya, the woman leading the Nigeria legal revolution. Breaking. Nigeria's Bar Association said to history first female president. For more than 9 decades, the Nigerian Bar Association has never been led by a woman, but today that may be about to change. After a fairly contested electronic election involving thousands of lawyers across Nigeria, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Oyinkansola Badejo-Okunsanya has emerged with a commanding lead that places her on the verge of making legal history. Who is exactly this woman? Make her different. How did she rise to become one of the Nigeria's most respected legal minds? And why are many lawyers calling this election a turning point for the Nigerian legal professional? Stay with us because today we are taking you beyond the headlines. You are watching African Global Opportunity TV, where we bring Africa's biggest story with context, facts, and opportunity. The Electoral Committee of the Nigerian Bar Association extended voting until 7:35 a.m. Sunday after many lawyers reportedly technical issues with the online voting system. Despite the delay, the result available after voting showed Oyinkansola Badejo-Okunsanya leading convincingly. She secured 12,317 votes, 47.18% of total votes. Her closest challenger, Lateef Akangbe, SAN, received 7,934 votes, while Olumiyiwa Akimboro, SAN, finished with 5,855 votes. Although the Electoral Committee had not formally declared the winner at the time this figure became available, the margin placed Badejo-Okunsanya in a virtual, unsurveyable lead. If officially confirmed, she will become the first woman ever to serve as president of the Nigerian Bar Association, who is Oyinkansola Okunsanya. Before we continue, if you enjoyed premium African news backed by research instead of rumor, subscribe to Africa Global Opportunity TV and turn on notification. Now let's meet the woman behind the story. Her early life. Oyinkansola Badejo-Okunsanya was born in January 15, 1967. Her father was Professor Ofolabi Olumide and first Vice Chancellor of Lagos State University and renowned surgeon. Her mother, Mrs. Folashade Olumide, also broke barrier by becoming the first female registration of a University of Lagos. Growing up in the University of Lagos campus exposed her to a culture of education, discipline, excellence, and public service from an early age. She attended University of Lagos Staff School, Federal Government College, Jos. Interestingly, she firstly earned a Bachelor of Arts in English from University of Lagos in 1987. Only years later, she returned to study law encouragement by her mother and earned her LLB from the University of Lagos in 2000. She was called to Nigeria Bar in 14 May 2002. For more than 2 decades, she has built an impressive legal career. She is a senior partner at ALP, NG & Co, where she co-head litigation and dispute resolution practice. Her work covers commercial litigation, arbitration, mediation, regulatory compliance, public policy, justice sector. She is also a fellow of the Chartered Institute of Arbitrator UK and an incredible mediation representing clients in both Nigeria and international arbitration proceedings. In 2011, she became General Counsel to Governor of Lagos State. One of her notable contributions was helping developing the Lagos Home Ownership Mortgage Scheme, Lagos HOMS, during the Babatunde Fashola administration. She later returned to private legal practice in 2015. Senior Advocate of Nigeria. In September 2025, she attained one of the Nigeria's highest legal honors, the prestigious rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria, SAN. Away from a courtroom, Oyinkansola Badejo-Okunsanya is married to Yemi Badejo-Okunsanya and they have one son. She also active in church, serving a church steward and choir member at Methodist Church Nigeria Emmanuel Chapter, Ikoyi. She had often spoke about the influence of faith, integrity, and family value in shaping her leadership philosophy. While many lawyers supported her, throughout her campaign, she promised to focus on a better welfare for lawyers, stronger support for young lawyers, equal attention for lawyers in public service, academia, and private practice, modernizing the Nigerian Bar Association, protecting professional ethics and dignity. The Nigerian Bar Association represents tens of thousands of lawyers across the country, has historically played a major role in defending democracy, constitutional governance, judiciary independence, and the rule of law. Who lead the NBA often influence national conversation on justice, election, human rights, and constitutional reform. That is why this election extends far beyond the legal profession. Coming up to African Global Opportunity TV, we will continue tracking the official declaration from the Electoral Committee and analysis what a Badejo-Okunsanya presidency could mean for legal reform, judiciary independence, and Nigeria justice system. You don't want to miss that. History appeared to unfold before our eyes, from growing up in our Nigeria's most respected academic family to becoming a senior advocate and outstanding on the verge of becoming the first female president of Nigerian Bar Association. Whether the official confirmed in the coming hour or days, Oyinkansola Badejo-Okunsanya has already become one of the defining figures in Nigerian legal profession. We will continue to monitor the official announcement and bring you a verified update. If you find this report is valuable, give us a video thumbs up, subscribe to African Global Opportunity TV, and share this video with fellow Nigeria at home and across the diaspora. If you believe having the first female president of the Nigerian Bar Association will bring meaningful reform to Nigerian legal profession, tell us your thoughts in the comments. Which country are you watching from today? Let us know in the comment section.